All right, so we're here in Texas, and even though it's nice and hot right now, it's about to get cold. So what I'm gonna do is get up on my roof and clean my chimney out. And those guys out down south of the border, they knew a little bit about something when they built these hats. I guarantee you that. You're in Texas, you get one of these hats, you're gonna appreciate it. Okay, so like I said, I'm gonna clean out the chimney. Oh, skin cancer right there. Had the biopsy yesterday. Okay, let me show you what's going on here. Okay, the tools I'm gonna use is this chimney brush. I'm gonna bring my screw gun up there to take the chimney cap off. The only other thing I need is the ladder I got set up over there. So mine are 5/16. Just gonna take them out of here and just take this little top cap off. That's all on that part. Now I'm just gonna run the brush in there. That's all I'm going to do to it. Looks good from here. Just put the cap back on there and we'll be done. You get the hang of it. Well, okay, that's done. Easy enough. But you know what, as far as the skin cancer goes, I think I'll do a video on that, because I guess I'm an expert. I get about either 1 or 2 cut off every 6 months, so they've been hacking on me. All right, be talking about that. Y'all come check that out.